Do you feel any responsibility toward the John Graziano settlement?
The John Graziano settlement will be established by what the law is. So whether we have a responsibility or not, that's what the law is going to say. Now, as far as trying to hold our money hostage because of things they've done or did not do, I don't think it's appropriate. And there is no prejudice. In other words, if we, hey, whoa, 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 hey, listen to me, Mr. Balea, Mr. Balea, Mr. Balea. Are you going to wrestle with me here? Are you going to come across the cameras? Then be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. You had your time to talk. You're done. You're done. No, it's not a free world. It's called professionalism.
What about morally with John Graziano?
You know what? You're an actor. You're acting now. If you had morals, why did you set up all these companies to try to ditch it? What's immoral about that? Now, let me tell you something. You are the person that has caused this issue. You sit there and you talk about all these different things with Linda.
I hope your son enjoys the autograph you asked me for.
I tell you what, I did.
Thank you, brother.
You're right. Okay.
All right.
Now, do you want to argue
Thank
with
you,
me
Uncle
again?
Maniac, brother.
All right. Good.
First
See
of
ya.
all, the LLCs were set up with your client as well, Mr. Raful.
Let me tell you something. LLCs. Let me tell you something. The LLCs, because you know why? He tells her that she was supposed to do something, and you tried to get a post-nuptial agreement signed by her.
I wasn't even part of
Very
this case then any
despicable.
more than you were.
Very despicable.
Hey, look at what I got
Very
done.
despicable.
You fought to keep me
All right.
out.
Goodbye.
My God.
How much did that cost?
I don't know.
Okay.
That was 10 minutes, but believe me, mine's contributed.
Okay. Real quick. Hold on real quick.
You know what? I guess I get the feeling what it's like to be in the WWE now. You know what? You don't get reporters speechless much. You know, I noticed all you guys got out of the way. Okay.
Real quick.
This is a courthouse. Courtroom, there's other
He's wasting money by putting his girlfriend on payroll and such, and the limos and all that good stuff.
I think that it's very difficult to argue about being responsible when you're not being responsible. It's sort of like when you're pointing the finger at someone else. It's always easier to take a position that they're doing something wrong when you don't have any idea that you're doing it or care of what you're doing.
So would you call it wasteful spending?
I call it very wasteful. You look at the amount of money we've spent and you look at the amount of money he spent. When they had the interview on the temporary support, okay, on the temporary support, they stood up in front of everybody and put out all this stuff about how Linda spent this and this. When the truth comes out, which more of the truth will come out as this case goes on, you'll see that it's not Linda. It's not Linda going around doing all